Alright, what's up, guys? Day siete, in case you didn't know, say yeah. Alright, so we got Tony here.
What's up?
Tony's actually doing all the work. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but so today we got some valve keepers, yo. Now we can finally get started on putting the cylinder head back together. We got the garage all nice and clean, so we about to do this thing. All right. Check out my pet spider.
If I die. Let's go back.
Bro, this is animal abuse, yo. What the fuck is going on? Oh shit!
Alright, we're back at it again. Time to torque it down.
Yeah! Bad news, guys. We just snapped a bolt. This is supposed to be torqued down to 10 pounds. We broke that one. Gonna have to get another one. Wanna bang?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna bang with you.
Oh yeah. I never had this before.
Bro, it's a good workout.
Hmm?
It has greasing inside of it. Yeah.
Oh shit, it does say it.
I told you?
This man came in with a water bottle of coolant. Nah, that's just like some pink soap. I thought it was some coolant. He's like, yo, this is some pre-workout shit.
Nah, that's some McGuire fucking soap.
I about to drink it too. I don't know, why is it that color? Oh well. Alright, we're heading back.
Oh yeah.
We're about to revive the lewd.
It'll be running tonight.
Yeah.